Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify push notification opt-in with Apple notification settings, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify push notification opt-in with Apple notification settings, start by launching your app on an iOS device. Navigate to the app's settings within the device. Locate the section labeled Notifications. In this area, you will see the list of apps that have requested notification access. Find your app from the list and select it. Here, you will be able to see the toggle for enabling or disabling notifications. If the toggle is green, it indicates that notifications are enabled for your app. If it is grayed out, notifications are currently disabled. To further verify user preferences, return to your app and initiate the push notification request. Confirm that the app displays the authorization prompt to the user. If the user has already opted in, you should see no prompt, indicating their settings are active. To check the notification authorization status programmatically, use the UN User Notification Center. Create an instance of UN User Notification Center. Call the Get Notification Settings method to retrieve the current notification settings. In the completion handler, check the authorization status property. If it is set to .authorized, users have opted in for notifications. If it is set to .denied, users have opted out. If the status is .not determined, the user has not yet made a selection regarding notifications. Make sure to handle each case accordingly within your app to ensure a smooth user experience. Encourage users to revisit the settings if they wish to change their notification preferences. This ensures that they can easily manage their notification options at any given time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.